Hey, hi, team. We are going to cover for today by lambda expressions by using the legacy version and as well as um, uh, this format. Okay, first we'll cover for the lambda expressions. So earlier, we'll check for letters. See, we'll see later for this one. So earlier, when we want to retrieve these records, we have to use for the for loop. Okay, for loop. So we need to assign the int I equal to 0 and I less than equals to less than equals to as less that right, right, I plus. So uh, in this way we are going to set and as a rest of get off I. So here we are going to print the records as this is of what legacy version, right? See type. This is legacy type. See here. So we are going to print these values by using the legacy version. This is a legacy version. No, we don't want this version. We want to use as a lambda expression. By using the lambda expression, how we can to achieve? See, by using the lambda, first we have to take as a list. And this list, we need to loop the records. Okay, for that one, we need to take for each. In this for each, each record you need to get all the one by one. Okay, that's how to use lambda expression. Insert, then here is the data, right? Simple. Yeah, here you go. Means you can comment it here. Yeah, see this is the 8 versions. So lambda 8 version we can also you know uh, uh, use the single line of the code for this version. Okay, by using the lambda version, you can able to achieve for the single line, one line of this code to able to achieve it. If you like the video, like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe. Thank you so much.